In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put Note on Google Calendar 2025. Step by step. First, open your web browser and head to Google Calendar. If you're already on a Google page, you can use the Google Apps grid in the top right corner, then choose Calendar from the list. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want the note to live so it shows up alongside your events. Once Calendar is open, look to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical panel with helpful tools. Find the light bulb icon for Google Keep. This panel lets you create and view notes without leaving Calendar, which is perfect for quick lists you want handy while planning your day. Click the Keep icon to open the sidebar, then click where it says Take a Note. This is your blank canvas. Start by adding a clear title so you can spot it later. For example, type Grocery List. A descriptive title makes it easier to search and keeps things organized when you have multiple notes. Below the title, type the details of your note. If you're creating a list, put one item per line to keep it easy to scan, such as eggs, milk, and sugar. The note will save automatically as you type, and you can come back anytime to add, remove, or rearrange items. When you're happy with it, click Done. Your note now lives in Keep and is visible right here in Calendar, so it's always nearby when you're scheduling errands or planning meals. If you'd like to make the note more visually appealing, you can customize its look. Open the note in a new tab so you have the full Keep interface. There, look for the background or color options icon, click it to browse the available colors and patterns, then select the one that fits your style. A subtle color can help you recognize the note at a glance, and themed backgrounds make it more engaging to use. After selecting a background, your note is good to go. The changes sync automatically, so the styled note appears both in Google Keep and in the Calendar sidebar. From now on, you can access it whenever you're planning and edit it as your needs change. Everything stays connected to your Google account, making it easy to find the same note on any device where you use Google Calendar or Keep. That's all you need to add a note to Google Calendar using the Keep integration. Open Calendar, create your note in the sidebar, give it a clear title and content, click Done, and if you want, customize the background for a cleaner look.